Okay.
Again.
Are we ready, guys?
Yes, I think so.
Hey guys, welcome back to Fusion by Lucy. आप सबका स्वागत है हमारी चैनल पे.
Hi. We were there, now we shift here because he's annoying us.
Sahir, say hi to everyone.
Hi,
I'm
French में
saying.
बोल दे एक बार.
I'm Sahir.
French.
हाय वेलकम बैक टू फ्यूजन बाय लूसी ऐसे करके
Hi, I'm looking to Shuman by Lucy.
फ्यूजन बाय लूसी
वो बीच बीच में चाइनीज हो जाता है. सो गाइज, हाउ आर यू? जो लोग पहली बार मेरा चैनल देख रहे हैं, आपको पता है आपको क्या करना है?
Subscribe and press the bell icon. Ting ting.
Ting ting.
एंड
सब्सक्राइब
शेयर तो कर दो.
Share and subscribe, Arvindro.
He's not good at English.
ओके. सो गाइज, आज शर्मा जी और मैं बिल्कुल चुप रहने वाले हैं बिकॉज आज सिर्फ हमारे बच्चों के बारे में बात है. एंड वी गोइंग टू डिस्कस सबीर एंड सहीर.
I'm the oldest one, so I get to say first.
यस, प्लीज से.
Oldest one, I'm gonna
Give me a question.
Okay. So Sabir has been going to a French school और इंडिया में वो जाता था सेंट पॉल स्कूल में. So Sabir, what is the difference between studying in India and here? How do you like it here?
the first place you don't never heard of French, right?
I said Mama said that you're not going to talk.
Okay.
Okay, so this school and the Indian school are not that much similar because the Indian school teachers slap kids when they do very wrong things, and here teachers scold people. I mean the students, because when they do wrong things, like me, sometimes I do wrong things and they scold me.
Okay, tell me how you learn French here in Senegal in your school.
I started since I was in kindergarten, and my teacher spoke a lot of French, and then she spoke English. All of my teachers speak English, and how do you say, except Mitra Stefani, because she doesn't speak English at all.
Okay.
But
so
I
can you-
understand by saying French by English. My teacher says French, and then
The topic will go somewhere
Then I
else
understand
now.
in English.
Guys, let's you understand yourself.
No.
No, how you learn?
How you learn?
Because
How
there are
I
many people
learn,
want to
yes.
learn.
I learned there is an app which is called Duolingo. I tried.
I understand how when I listen I got to know what word used where. Chalo, let's not get into it.
Okay. But I can give you a suggestion. You should make a lot of French friends, Senegalese friends who talk French.
Yes, I forgot that.
Yes, and that is how you will learn. Why don't you speak a bit in French about my channel, please?
Ok. Abonnez Fusion by Lucy et partagez ça avec vos amis et vos parents et votre famille. Merci pour regarder Fusion by Lucy. Et ceux qui n'ont jamais regardé, s'il vous plaît, le regardez et le abonnez.
Très bien.
Merci beaucoup.
Sahir also gonna
Sahir,
speak
can you
French.
please say something about your school, about yourself? कुछ भी in French.
My teacher is kind because he gave me with the candy.
Your teachers are kind because they give you the candies. And that is the only thing they do in this class whole day.
Because किसी का बर्थडे आया 2 दिन.
किसी का बर्थडे 2 दिन आया.
मेरे स्कूल में किसी का बर्थडे आया 2 दिन.
He's going to French school and learning a Hindi there. So can you believe? Can you speak English or French something else apart from Hindi? Huh?
I like like Hindi. I'm speaking in Hindi.
Okay. And he's telling I'm speaking Hindi in English. Rest all is speaking in Hindi. Yeah.
I don't know how to do like this. Mirchi.
Okay.
Now I like my mother and daddy and my brother, but I don't know I don't know how to go in my school, but my school is so bigger than Sabi school.
No.
They study in the same school anyways. It's okay.
Okay, now you can talk.
Can I talk?
Okay, 1 second. You'll get the turn.
Okay, now let's move on to the next topic. And the next topic is how much they know about the countries and other thing apart from Senegal and India. Guys, wait.
India.
Okay. One by one. Okay. Okay, Sahir. Okay, Sahir. First thing I'll ask Sahir. It's okay. First thing, Mama, जैसे पूछा ना. Sahir, I ask you. Do you know the president and the prime minister of India?
Narendra Modi or Ravana Kund.
Very good. Do you know any other Asian country apart from India?
Narendra Modi.
Are country, any country like India? Do you know any country? What are neighbor countries?
You just say which all countries you know.
Okay.
Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, or Japan and India.
जापान के पास कौन सा कंट्री है? ऊपर कौन सा कंट्री है?
South Korea.
Okay.
Russia, China.
Russia and China. Wow, we know many countries in Asia. Now let's ask Sabi. Sabi, give us seven countries name in West Africa. Okay, first country is
Senegal,
Senegal. Yes. Second country is
Mali,
yes. Third country,
Mauritania,
correct. Fourth country,
Guinea-Bissau,
very good. Fifth country,
Guinea,
okay. Sixth country,
Niger.
okay. Seventh country,
The 7 countries to go.
Togo. We got seven.
Voila! Guys, one thing I'm so happy that my kids are learning because they are going to a international school, French school. You know, they meet so many people. They meet kids from Turkey, France, Spain, all those places. So both my kids, पीछे से वो इंडिया बोल रहा है. So both my kids, they know about various countries and they know so much about countries. They keep learning at home.
So, who is the president of Malaysia?
Abdullah Al-Khad.
अब वो नहीं भी हुआ तो हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
Abdullah Al-Khad.
वही है क्या भी? Okay, okay. So, who is the president of Turkey?
Recep Tayyip Erdogan.
Erdogan, I know him. So, who is the prime minister or a president in America? No, America has a president, not a prime minister.
Joe Biden.
Easy. Who is the president? Who is the French president?
Who's the France president? Emmanuel Macron.
Yeah.
Okay, who is the president of? Who is the president of China?
Xi Jinping.
Xi Jinping.
Okay, one
With the aggression,
one thing Sabir really knows is the accent. He knows
Xi
accent
Jinping.
of so many countries. I can't tell you.
197.
Oh, let's
There are the total country
test
numbers,
it.
197,
Let's
yeah, I
test it. What about the national anthem of Senegal?
Okay.
Nice.
Taisez-vous, Rokora, tapez-les dans la main, allez-luz, allez-y, et pente de la course, et quand c'était passé, les six paraîtraient dans son nez, ça n'en est que, ça n'en est moire, de bouger. Okay.
And another difficult one.
China.
Shira, mon amarren men, how mon amashiri, how you want to sing the shang, how ta raka, how to not a shira.
And just like COVID is enough in last.
Thank you, China,
It's
for
okay.
COVID-19. Thank you, China, for COVID-19. Xi Jinping, go away from India. Do not touch it.
Okay.
Okay, वो थोड़ा सा भावुक हो जाता है. One more this
Lebanon.
thing of of Hong Kong. You know of Hong Kong?
It's the same thing as China.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I need to do my studies.
And also Macau has the same.
Okay. Japan, you know Japan? No?
Japan.
Or which country you know? Okay, India, you say India.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हिंद भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा नाना जमुनी जय हिंद.
Okay. Very good.
Hey.
And one more. France.
Okay. Les enfants de la patrie, le jour de gloire est arrivé.
Merci beaucoup.
So some kids have it time pass or do something in their life, and he have a time pass of remembering all the anthems and the countries and other things of the globe, which is a good thing. Very good, Sabi. I'm proud of you. Mama.
Yes.
मुझे ब्रूनाई का बताएं.
हमें तो country पता कहाँ है वो.
Okay. Another anthem you want to sing is of Brunei. Okay.
Lucy, where is Brunei? Let me ask Lucy, where is Brunei?
I have no clue on this earth.
Brunei is the country which is
Where in Asia
above
or-
Indonesia. It's in Southeast Asia, which Indonesia's what do we call this?
Borders.
Yes, Indonesia's borders.
Northern border.
Yes, in the northern border there is Brunei, which is this much little country. Its population is 437,000.
Whoa, la 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 la.
Maldives.
Bas kar. So my mind is like, how you know so much? Huh?
I know, just.
Yeah, nothing to do. Just borrow all the things inside.
Okay, how do you like Senegal, Sabir?
Very much, very much, very much. People are so kind here. They keep saying me assalamu alaikum, hello, bonjour, whatever, but they love me. They seriously smile at me. Oh my god, I'm gonna crazy about Senegal. I want to be one.
Sabir wants to become a Senegalese. Okay, so Senegal, they wear a kind of
Hat and clothes.
no, they wear a kind of like Indian kurta pajama, and
Mama, can you tell me the friends from my school from different countries? I'll
yes,
tell.
please.
So guys, now I'm gonna tell my friends from different countries. So the first is my best friend, whose name is Mustafa. He's from Pakistan. My second is Aminata Toure, who's from Turkey. The third is Aziz, who's from Tunisia. My fourth is Oman from Egypt, who is going to Egypt this year. He already went there. And the fifth is Abdul, who is from what do we call this country? What is this?
Brunei.
Yes, Brunei. And I have another country. I have another boy. Yes, his name is.
Okay.
It's a secret.
Acha, theek hai. Okay, fine. Another thing, guys, when you talk French, you need to have an accent. You need to have a particular accent.
Like this.
Sharma ji has tried a lot.
Look how is it?
One second. Sharma ji has tried a lot. Even I have tried, but I fail.
No, he will do the first. We'll try to copy him.
Yes. Sabir knows all the numbers.
Yes.
So
6,000 or 6 million or 2 trillion. Trillion.
हाँ ट्रिलियन को बोलते हैं ट्रिलियन सो तू जरा
और and a billion.
एक्सेंट में बोल देना
वो accent है trillion. Guys, and billion is very it's very different in French. It is gonna match the million one. Milliard.
see that is the difficult part milliard
He say milliard, and when I read this, I say milliard. Because they have a D in the last. Eat that D, huh? He's a French guy.
No, the D is muted.
It's silent.
Yes.
but after listening to this accent we become silent Sabir make us say in the accent give us one word that we can say in the accent
Comment tu vas? Je m'appelle Sabir.
see now his name is Sabir and the way he says is
हमने सभी रखा था इंडिया में यहाँ पहुँचे कुछ और हो गया
Sabir French में बोलते हैं. We said х.
how do you say in French
Sabir. And it,
वो जो लास्ट में कुछ खर किया है ना वो हमसे नहीं होता है we tried making you talk to our kids जो दूसरा वाला है छोटा वाला वो अपना फ़ोन लेके पीछे चला गया है क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा देर कैमरा के सामने बैठ नहीं सकता है
कहीं बैठ नहीं सकता कैमरे सामने
उसका ना his butt cannot sit anywhere. Look, when he sits in an uncomfortable place, he'll say, Mama, but मुझे middle में बैठना है. When we sit in the car, every day, when I sit in the middle, he said, Mommy, I want to sit in the middle. And then he makes me push, and then I sit in the other one seat.
Okay. If you liked our video, do like, share and subscribe. And Sabir will close the video today, yes.
Oh, okay, I'm going to close the video.
Yes.
If you like.
So that means I'm going to be the boss. And in the other video of Fusion by Lucy, I'm going to be the boss for 24 hours.
Okay,
How
fine.
do you think? How do you
You're
think?
close now. Close the video now.
How you think?
I think positive.
इसने take over कर लिया video.
Press the bell icon and next time I'm going to tell you how my dad speaks French accent. It's like this. So
Thank you guys. Have a great day. Thank you so much.